Alright, so today we have the Glock 47, and it's been a while since we've seen this gun. I have a few new parts to put on it. First, we have the Magmo edge, and it goes on right here. It's supposed to give you that palm swell. Yeah, it feels pretty good like this already. But yeah, can't wait to put it on to see if it actually makes a big difference or if it's just a gimmick. And then second, we have the rear sight plug because I want to take off these sights. So I'm going to remove the rear sights and the front sight because I prefer the clean look without any sights. Then lastly, we are going to replace the Swan Fox with a vector optic, another cheap optic, for no reason, just because this one is bigger. The Swan Fox is still my favorite. This is still my original one. I have about 5,000 to 6,000 rounds on it, and it still runs great. Never gave me any issues. Still stays zero. So yeah, it's still my favorite. It's cheap and it freaking runs good. And yeah. Alright, so let's put the parts on. Alright, all done. She looks way cleaner without the sights. I love this look. On the other hand, that Magmo edge, that looks so ugly. But hopefully it shoots better than it looks. So this is how it fits in the hands. Honestly, it actually feels pretty good. My supporting palm fits way better in that pocket now. And I do feel super connected now. Works good. Works really good.